Barred chords are something that many ukulele players avoid. We avoid these because they're painful, they're difficult, and so many songs don't need them, so we just start avoiding them altogether. Before we begin, please hit the like button on this video so that it can reach other players who need this series as well. Okay, on your ukulele, please go to fret 3 of A string and pick on that. Good. Now hold down fret 3 of E and A string and pick both of those strings. Pick them individually. Okay, good. Now hold down C, E, and A on the 3rd fret. Good. Okay, release the hand. We're going to do that again, one string at a time. So just fret 3 of A string, and this time try to get really close to the fret wire. These are the fret lines, right? Okay, now hold down 2 strings at a time. Now hold down 3 strings at a time. Okay, release. Okay, now that we're going to try it again, I'd like for you to move the thumb down. So it should not be so close to the center of the neck. It should be below that, below the center of the neck. That should make your grip kind of smaller. And this is a tip from Karen, a Patreon member. Okay, so A string only. Now E and A string. Now C, E, and A. And release. Of course, this is a chord that you could do with 3 fingers, right? But I really want us to start working on that one finger holding down several strings. Okay, relax the hand. Let's say that this is really painful for you. One, if you're really new to the ukulele, like 6 months to a year, then try doing the same pattern that we're doing, but maybe on the 5th fret or the 7th fret. It's easier to press the strings down in this section of the ukulele because that's where they're the most bendy. So try it there. 5th fret or 7th fret. What you want to focus on is making sure all 3 strings are ringing. And if they're not, I would like for you to wiggle the finger either closer to your face or closer to the floor, but just like the tiniest bit that you can move it. And relax. Drop the shoulders. Make sure your shoulders are not like creeping all the way up. Okay, now here's the mega tip. Your strumming hand should be pressing on the ukulele, look up, so that the head is pointing out this way, okay? So your forearm should pull the ukulele back, look, and the index finger is gonna bring it back too. And so that pressure that you're using the arm and the finger is going to help you so much with getting those notes to ring. If you're trying to just grip it from the hand, that's a lot to do for the hand. So use the arm backwards, use the hand backwards, and you should get some beautiful singing notes. Okay, for the last bit of our exercise, I would like for you to assign 1 finger per string. So G has the thumb, the index finger is on C, the middle finger is on E, and the ring finger is on A. I have a low G ukulele. If you have a high G ukulele, we still sound good together. Please remember this order where you have 1 finger per string. We're going to use that throughout this course because it's going to help us find which string is the one that's not ringing. And then you'll start seeing a pattern like, oh, it seems like I'm always getting a dead string on E, or I'm always getting dead C string. And that will help us find that spot in your finger where you can wiggle and move. By the end of this challenge, we will be doing the song Creep, which has 4 bar chords. Sounds something like this. It only has 4 chords, but all of them are barred. Awesome, right? right? At the time of this recording, our next subscriber goal is 400K. So please subscribe to this channel so that we can reach the goal. And if you're in the market for a new ukulele apparel, a ukulele journal, strings, and accessories, check out my Etsy shop. It not only has the best selection of ukulele merchandise, but it also helps support the channel. The audio for this video was edited by Jonathan Estrada. Thank you, Jonathan. And the music is by us. We have a band, and you can find us on Spotify. In our next video, we are going to add the middle finger to our bar chord, and we're going to talk about this term I like to call the baby bar. So I will see you there. Ciao!